who? Like, sleep on who? Hey y'all, back with another video. This video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. They sent me out a beautiful 5x5 HD unit. This is their water wave texture. I'm going to put all the details down below in the description box, so tune in, and if you want to see this install, keep watching. Let's get into it. So I'm actually going to cut a piece of the lace, and I'm doing that because I know y'all are gonna ask. I like to use lace tint on my lace to help melt it. Even though this is HD lace, you all, sometimes you still need that. I'm just looking down at my mirror here. That matches up perfectly. Perfect, as y'all can see. And this is the lace tint by Eben. The medium dark brown. I usually use a little bit lighter of one, but honestly the lighter one, I feel like it don't be melting me like that, so I want to try this one this time. So pretty much you're going to turn the wig inside out and spray at a distance. You don't need too much of this either, because honestly the more that you spray, the darker the lace. I'll spread a little bit on the top. So I'm gonna put this on and see. I really love the fact that this wig has this elastic band on the inside of it, and then it also has 3 combs. Yes, Luvme Hair. So the intentions of this wig is for you to be able to wear it glueless. So you do not have to put any adhesive on here. I'm going to adjust the wig too to make sure that it's snug. So they have these, they have an adjustable elastic band on here too, just for you to tighten it. So here, and you just put it on. I'm probably gonna put it here on this loop. My head ain't that big. Okay, so now I think I'm ready to put it on. Y'all gotta make me some TikTok videos. I'm trying to go viral on TikTok. So yes. So you just put your elastic band over the back of your head and then follow with the entire wig. Okay. So I put the wig on. I'm gonna get y'all a close up so y'all can see. Y'all, I'm feeling this hair, especially like off to the side, no part, baby. What T.S. Madison was like, I'm feeling Puerto Rican in this hair. Puerto Rican. Like I said, this is a 5x5 Wet-N-Wavy undetectable invisible HD lace, a 20-inch. And y'all, the knots on here are so tiny. I love that, because when the knots are small like that, sometimes you really could get away with not bleaching the knots, but y'all know I bleach my knots. And I put that lace tint on there, so it's looking flawless. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my infamous spray that I love to use whenever I'm doing a glueless install. When you want your cap to match, like makeup wise, I just spray the cap with this lace pack that I told y'all about earlier. Think it's a game. Wonderlace. I love the red can. Everybody keeps telling me to try the, I want to say it's the gold can or the black one, but this one works for me. Like, y'all, I done slept in my wig and just only had this spray, and it lasted me like 2-3 days just the spray alone. Like, crazy, ain't it? So in addition to spraying that, you're gonna also want to get you a melt band. So if you guys don't have you a melt band, pick up one of the beauty supply stores. You can get creative around the house. If you have a headband, you can put your headband, use that. Anything with some type of stretch or elastic to it. So I have this elastic band with Velcro. So that's what I'm going to be using. So let's pull the hair back. I want to make sure that before I do, I need to spray this cap a little bit more so it matches, honey. I need my stuff laid. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I think I've waited about, shoot, probably 20 minutes for this to melt. Honey, let me give y'all a close-up. As you can see, it is melted to the gods. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut. And when you cut your lace, do not cut straight across. Do not. But I will tell you, since you are rocking this glueless, you want to get close to your hairline. Don't leave a little bit of lace. Now, I usually leave a little bit of lace when I'm gluing my units. And I'm going to tell y'all why in my ebook when you purchase my ebook, okay? I'm gonna link the ebook. It has all my little tricks in there to the lace game. So I'm getting close to the hairline. Think it's a game. Get back. That's my hair. Okay. Let me zoom out. So, yeah, I'm going to spray this again. And spray it again. We will tie it back down. Give you extra melt. And while we're tying down, I'm going to be thinking about my final look. Look like a little girl, but I still like this style. I see a little piece I need to cut. Hair is so cute. So you can use I want to say a blow dryer to help speed up the process of drying the even spray when you use that on your lace. So this is a close-up what we're looking like. But I'm actually liking this style. It's curved. And there's no shedding with this hair. The only shedding I experienced is the hair that I had tweezed from the lace. I am going to test the hair out for the next few days, and I can come back and give you guys a review on this unit. I also had used, I sprayed water on here and I mixed it with some of this keratin conditioner, which this conditioner, I bought this from, I want to say Burlington, but you guys, any conditioner works for the hair. Just make sure you mix it with water and don't be too heavy with it. These products tend to build up on the hair, and that's when you need to shampoo it and get that out and start fresh. But yes, I love it. It has so much bounce and fluff. I got my hair caught on. Yes. I'm feeling Puerto Rican. Woo! Spray some more. I don't want to spray too heavy because I like my hair to be big. I like big hair because I got a big head. This brush here. Sprinkling my water. And I honestly put a little bit too much water on that side. But this is how I'm gonna rock it. Don't forget to spray the back. You want your back to match your front. Yeah, and I like to just scrunch the hair up. Scrunch, scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. I'm gonna put a little bit of that more conditioner. And to get your wig extra flat at the top, you can use a wax stick. I think I showed this already, I'm not sure. But yeah, lay that wax, it gets any flyaways. Baby, this thing, I'm like, baby, is this my hair? That's how I'm feeling. This thing look like it's coming out the... I'm gonna zoom in because I don't think y'all understand. Like, this is coming out the scalp. Oh, sleep on who? Like, sleep on who? You can't. This is the final look. I'm loving this, you guys. Definitely check out this unit. I'm gonna put the link down below and a discount you guys can use for watching my video. Definitely stay tuned. I plan to be dropping a lot of videos this year. I'm so happy to be working with Luvme Hair, and I also will be posting a video. Luvme Hair sent me a PR box, and the things that they sent me were amazing, you all. So definitely tune into that video that will be dropping next. And again, thanks for watching. This is your girl Bea Elise from Bella Elise The Experience.